2024 Chevy Impala, a classic icon redesigned for the future. The new Chevrolet Impala, which will be released in 2024, is a midsize sedan that will include updated design on both the interior and outside. In addition to this, it is going to have a completely different appearance than the type that is now available, and it will have sufficient space to accommodate a total of 5 individuals. Additionally, a potent 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine is featured in the package, which generates 650 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque, and which allows you to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.6 seconds of acceleration. In addition to this, a number of contemporary features such as a USB port, a Wi-Fi hotspot, a remote start, an audio sound system, Bluetooth connectivity, a 360-degree camera system, smartphone integration, connected navigation, an 8-inch touchscreen display, and automatic transmission have also been incorporated into the vehicle. These features make traveling a pleasant and secure experience. This article should be read all the way through to the finish if you are interested in learning everything there is to know about the 2024 Chevrolet Impala. Because we have provided you with a lot of information about the new Chevrolet Impala sedan that you ought to be aware of, such as the release date, price, design, features, safety, mileage, speed, and colors of the vehicle for you to understand. The redesign of the 2024 Chevrolet Impala. It is well knowledge that Chevrolet Motors initially introduced the 10th generation of the Chevy Impala, which is currently available, with a new design and new amenities for the 2020 model year. This design and these new features have been carried on for the subsequent few model years without any significant modifications. Recently, however, Chevrolet Motors has made the announcement that the next version of the Chevrolet Impala would be available for purchase beginning with the 2024 model year. Additionally, certain photographs and information regarding the subsequent model have been made available in addition to this. Let us tell you that the next Chevy Impala will get a refreshed exterior and interior design for the 2024 model year. This design will be completely different from the one that is currently in use, and along with this, many contemporary features will be included. These features include a larger cabin, an LED headlight system, a touchscreen display, a 360-degree camera system, an audio sound system, a front and rear airbag system, and the ability to include front and rear legroom facilities. Release date of the 2024 Chevrolet Impala. It is true that there is no information available on the release date of the next Chevy Impala, which will be produced in 2024. However, it has been reported by a number of prominent websites and reports that the next Chevy Impala may be released in February of that year, and that orders for it will also begin in the beginning of the following year. In the event that you are unable to wait for the next Chevrolet Impala, you have the option of placing an order for the Buick LaCrosse, Toyota Crown, Lexus ES, or Mazda 6 that are currently on the market. The reason for this is because there is still no concrete information that is available regarding the release date of the next Chevrolet Impala. On the other hand, we will immediately update this page with any new information that becomes available in the future. Cost of the 2024 Chevrolet Impala. With regard to the upcoming new Chevrolet Impala, Chevrolet Motors has not yet given any details regarding the price or the trim levels of the vehicle. On the other hand, there are claims that the next Chevrolet Impala will be priced between $75,990 and $80,000, and it will have the same trim levels as the model that will be released in 2023. Moreover, it is essential to take into consideration the possibility that the price of the subsequent Chevrolet Impala will either go up or down in the days ahead. Additionally, the website of Chevrolet Motors is a good place to look for accurate information such as this.